REUBEN SHANDA kuma kaunti-ini ya KAKAMEGA ni murimi ukoretwo ahimbirie urimi wa mumera wa Mukombero, urimi uria augite uri na umithio ukiringithanio na mimera ingi iria kaingi arimi makoragwo mekiriire. Mukombero ni mumera uhotaga gwitiria riua inene. SHANDA agitariria nduoyaga ihinda inene gukura na thengia noguo akauga uri na mawega kihiri.
Kama Arabic comes from a tree called Acacia Senegal or Acacia Senegal. And this Kama Arabic, its purpose into this juice and wine is to stabilize, is to make the juice stable so that we don't get any sediments or any different portions of the juice in the same bottle.
Kuringana na SHANDA, miri ya mumera uyu no ihuthike na njira itiganite iria ni hamwe na guthondeka juice, njohi muthemba wa wine, baba na oho mumera uyu ni uthiagwo ugatuika mutu.
We have tested the wine at government chemists and they gave it a clean bill of health at almost 11% alcohol content.
Thogora wa indo ithondeketwo kuma kuri miri ya mumera uyu SHANDA ugite uri iguru, akiuga ni ahotete gukinyaniria maundu matiganite kuma urimi-ini uyu, guku akiuria arimi gwitikira kuhimbiria amu ndubataraga githomo kana utaramu munene.
I'm also encouraging farmers to plant Mondia white on farm because we want to remove pressure from our government forests. And now we have established that there are seeds that can be planted. You can establish your nurseries in your garden.
Ataririe uthuthuria mukinyaniru wigi urimi uyu ni utafanitio na ukahitukio ni gikundi kia uthuthuria gia KEFRI.
Mukombero has no citric content. We can still use it for milk because we have lovers of tea who do tea with white tea.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.